Hello dear friends, in this video I will show you how to program a very old SSB transceiver CODAN X2. This transceiver is very easy to use. On front panel it has very few knobs and switches. It's USB LSB switch, tune and mute, volume and switch on, channel select and clarifier. This is front panel lighting bulb. So this is my power supply CODAN 9114, and I using handmade programming cable from RS232 port to CODAN microphone port. For programming it's necessary to use Windows XP and some old computer with the RS232 port. Let's start. Turn on programming software X2. This program running in DOS format. Switch on power supply, remove microphone, and connect programming cable to microphone port. Second side of programming cable is already connected to computer with RS232 port without any USB adapter. If you want to use USB adapter, there is a possibility it does not work. So it's necessary. Step number 1: push up tune switch and hold and turn on radio. This beep means radio is on programming mode. Now here we need to first time to open options, check serial port is COM number 1, it's correct, and open transceiver and press read. Okay, this is data from transceiver. Now you can change frequency, for example 425 kilohertz. Here you can select USB or LSB sideband, and this is antenna switch. This transceiver on the rear panel has 2 antenna connectors. You can program on this channel second antenna port. Okay. Now after programming you need to enter in transceiver tab and program radio. Program it successfully. That's all. You don't need any more. After programming, switch off radio, remove programming cable, connect microphone and switch. Transceiver is ready to use. Thank you very much for watching my video. You can subscribe my channel and share this video.